In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an App Store download limit on iPhone if you want more control over how apps download, especially when you're using cellular data instead of Wi-Fi. Your iPhone gives you a few helpful settings to manage that. This is especially useful if you want to avoid using too much mobile data or if you're setting up a device for a child or a shared phone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. From there, tap Apps, then go to App Store. In the App Store settings, look for the Cellular Data section and tap App Downloads. This is where you can decide how your iPhone handles app downloads when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. You'll see three options here. The first is Always Allow. If you choose this, your iPhone can download apps of any size using cellular data without asking you first. This is convenient, but it can also use a lot of data quickly, so it's best for people with a large or unlimited mobile plan. The second option is Ask if over 200 MB. With this setting, smaller apps can download automatically over cellular data. But if an app is larger than 200 megabytes, your iPhone will ask for permission before downloading it. This is a good middle ground option because it gives you flexibility while still helping you avoid large unexpected downloads. The third option is Always Ask. This makes your iPhone require confirmation before every app download over cellular data. If you want the most control, this is the safest setting to choose. You can also limit automatic downloads from your other Apple devices. To do that, go back to Settings, then Apps, then App Store again. Under Automatic Downloads, turn off App Downloads. This prevents apps purchased on another Apple device from automatically appearing on this iPhone, which can help you save data and storage space. If you want to go a step further and prevent app installations completely, you can do that using Screen Time. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn it on. Next, tap iTunes and App Store purchases, then tap Installing Apps and select Don't Allow. This setting is especially useful for children's devices or any shared iPhone where you want tighter control over what can be installed. Once you've adjusted these options, your iPhone will follow the download limits and restrictions you selected. That's it. You've now set up your App Store download preferences to better manage data usage and app installation control.